Let's do homework exercise number 3 from section 8.6 dealing with car loans. Suppose that you decide to borrow $17,000 for a new car. You can select one of the following loans for each requiring a regular monthly payment. Loan A is 3 years at 5.1%, and loan B is 5 years at 4.8%. Okay, find the monthly payment and total interest for loan A. Okay, first the monthly payment for loan A. Again, we don't have to use the long formula. It's much easier. You can go to the website bankrate, bankrate.com. Okay, it's much faster. We'll show you how much easier it is to use than the formula. So open up a new web page and go to bankrate.com. Okay, and so you put in bankrate.com. Okay, and you should get to the calculator and bank home page, and then click on calculator along the top here, and then scroll down, and we're doing auto calculators, auto loan. We're doing auto loan, so click on auto loan calculator. All right, and the 3 things we needed. Now the first loan, both of them were, you put in the loan amount, 17,000, auto loan amount right there, 17,000. The term for the first one was 3 years, so put in 3. It automatically does the correct number of months. And then the interest rate for 3 years was 5.1. So put it as a percent. Okay? So again, the amount, total amount is there. The auto loan in terms of the years is 3 years, and the rate as a percent, 5.1. Okay, so that was our first loan. Okay, so then you click on calculate, and the monthly payment is $510.27. So $510.27. So let's go back to the problem. $510.27. Okay, total interest for loan A. Now, go ahead and do it. But sometimes the bank rate does it a little bit differently. So we'll do it pencil and paper. So we'll take the 510.27, right? We paid 12 times a year a monthly payment, and for loan A was 3 years, so times 3 for 3 years, and we get a total amount of $18,369.72. Now, subtract what you borrowed, and that will give you the extra amount you paid, which will be equivalent to the total interest. So the amount we borrowed was only $17,000. So get that value, subtract $17,000, and the total amount of interest for loan A is $1,369.72. Okay. Again, we took the 510.27 times 12 times 3, 12 times a year for 3 years. We got the total there, and then we subtracted the amount, the 18,000. The amount we got was 18,369.72 minus the 17,000 there. Okay. All right. Now we're going to do the same thing for the monthly payment for loan B. Okay. Remember, loan B is in bankrate.com. 17,000, 5 years at 4.8%. So 5 years at 4.8, again, it's 17,000. Okay, so we'll go to bankrate.com and go ahead and get the monthly payment for that. Okay, so 17,000. This time it's for 5 years. They correct the number of months, and it's down, and it's 4.8%. Okay, put it in as a percent, calculate, and the monthly payment is $319 and 26 cents. There it is right there. Shows you just to the right, $3.19 and 26 cents. All right. So we've got, go back to the problem, 319.26. 319.26 cents. Okay, total interest. Okay, again, what do? We take the amount, the monthly payment, 319.26. We multiply it by 12 because we got to pay it 12 times a year. And in this case, we multiply by 5, the number of years, because we have to do it for 5 years. And we get a total of $19,155.60. Now, what's the total interest? Again, you subtract the 17,000. So subtract what you would have, decided to borrow, and the amount of extra is the equivalent to the interest, which in this case is $2,155.60. Okay, determine the more economical. So the more economical, notice that the total interest for loan A was only $13,069 approximately. For loan B, it was $2,155 or 56 rounded to the nearest dollar. So definitely we would pay a lot less interest for the loan, for the 3-year loan, the first year, right? So then the answer is, according to those answers, the 3-year loan at 5.1 is more economical because we paid a lot less interest. The buyer will save approximately how much in interest? Okay, well, we just did, we did it, right? We got to subtract the total interest. So the total interest for loan B was $2,155.60. The total interest for loan A was what? $1,369.72. Okay, so the difference is, to the nearest cent, $785.88. $785.88. Okay, again, what we did was we simply subtracted the total interest, right? The total interest from loan B, we calculated here, right here. The total interest from loan A was here. We've just subtracted those two using our calculator to find the difference, and that's how much money we would save. All right, we're going to stop this session here. If you have any questions, send me an email at tswears@hodges.edu, TSWIERSZ, or call me at 239-938-7805. Thank you.